Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the studio in NYC. And as you can see, I'm all decked out. Decked out in what, you must be asking? James, why are you wearing that hideous-looking jacket that looks like it's from the 1980s? Well, it's not hideous, because we're 1 day away. 1 day away from the biggest fight of in this entire world, not even generation, ever in the history of the universe. Floyd Money Mayweather versus Manny Pac-Man Pacquiao. Everybody already knows who I'm cheering for. Team Pacquiao. But I gotta calm down. I still have a job to do. The markets, they're about to close. That's right, it's not quite 4 o'clock yet. Yes, the investors and the traders, they're still working, but we've got to get it started early because we have to prepare. We've got to meditate. Grab yourself a drink and cheers, guys. It's an early Friday edition of Happy Hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks stay traded higher this Friday afternoon, rebounding from yesterday's sell-off as investors keep an eye on higher Treasury yields as well as economic reports. Now, the Dow Jones trading about 100 points higher after briefly adding more than 150 points earlier in the morning. The major indices continuing to recover from the previous day's losses, with the Nasdaq outperforming. Now, on the corporate front, expansion in the U.S. manufacturing sector weakening in April as growth in output and new orders continued to fall. This according to Market. The report said the final U.S. PMI fell to 54.1 in April from 55.7 in March. The preliminary read was at 54.2, while construction spending for March showed a decline of 0.6%, and the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Survey for April showing a final read of 95.9. That's up from 93 in March. You team that with the U.S. dollar edging higher, as well as it continued to gain against the yen, as well as the euro. Crude oil futures falling 68 cents to $58.95 a barrel over at the New York Mercantile Exchange, and gold down about $11.50. And you have yourself a session over at the stock exchange where 2 stocks advanced for every decliner. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not just close out the session, but the week as well. And with that stated, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a weekend you won't forget. Whether you're cheering for Money May, whether you're cheering for Pacquiao, I've been waiting 6 long years for this. Many other people have as well. I'm going to say this, after 6 years of waiting, I don't know how I've been able to control myself. So on Monday, you'll either have a very happy, very ecstatic, or very sad and very tired James Sweeney from ModernWallStreet.com. Everybody enjoy the fight. Manny Pacquiao, mabuhay Manny. Pokpokitin siya, right? Go for it. I'll see you guys all Monday morning. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.